Hola, hola, and welcome to this screencast instructional video on how to use GarageBand, which is a Mac application to create theme songs for your classes. I use it in my class to enhance student engagement by calling on students using their theme song and rewarding them for correct answers. Lots of great options. I'm sure that you'll have your own too. The first thing you're going to do in order to get started is go to the guitar logo on your dock. That's going to open up the application GarageBand. And you have a number of options, a lot of fun to play with, but the one we're going to be using is create new podcast episode. You give it a name, and then it's going to open up. And what you're going to see is something that's generally used for creating podcasts, but we're going to use it just for creating a theme song. So I'm going to pick a song featuring a popular singer. It's in Spanish, but it features a guy named Akon, who all of your students will know. It's called All Up to You. You click on it, and then you drag it into your jingles. Once it's in your jingles, you'll move it to the beginning, and your first step is going to be to figure out where you want to be in the song. I happen to know that what I'm looking for is closer to 20 seconds in. So I listened there and I want it to start right there where he starts singing. It sounded like it was about second 26. We'll test that out. You drag that little red bar and you can get really precise positioning in the song. And that sounds good there at second 26. So we're going to back it up to exactly 26 seconds in. And then we're going to go up into our edit menu and click on split. And what this does is creates two separate parts of the file, and we're going to take that first part and delete it right on out. Then we're going to move it all back to the beginning, and we're going to see how we did. Perfect. And it sounds like I'm good at about second 5. So we're just going to run it to second 5, and then we're going to put in a neat little fade out. You go up to track, fade out, and that's going to bring up this menu here. I'm going to click once here, I'm going to click once here, and pull that down. That's going to create a fade out. Perfect. And we're going to reposition ourselves right there at the end. Go back up to that edit menu, split it one last time. And we're going to delete the rest of the song. So now what we have is a little 7.594 second clip that's going to end up being a student's theme song. At this point, we're just about done in GarageBand, and what we're going to do is send this song over to iTunes. We go up to Share, Send Song to iTunes, and I'm just going to send it to my own little library, and we're going to click Share, and it automatically opens up iTunes and opens up the playlist that you've sent it to as well. And there's our song. And so once it's in there, then at that point you can rename the track, and let's say that this is going to be Maddie's theme song. And now I'm all set to go. Imagine if I had 35 students, I'm going to have 35 theme songs in here, and if Maddie raises her hand, I'm going to call on her by just clicking on her theme song. And that right there is start to finish how to quickly and easily create a theme song using GarageBand. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please do share any successes with me at twitter.com/SeñorG. Ciao.